जय श्रीमन्नारायण. श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता सेकंड चैप्टर सांख्ययोगम 20th श्लोक. साक्षात् श्रीमन्नारायण teaching to each and every one of us along with Arjuna. Paramatma saying that, "O Arjuna, you means Atma. Based upon the very original nature of yourself, you have got 4 other titles, 4 names. The first name is Aja. That means you are never born. There is no growing, there is no shrinking, there is no old age, there is no death to yourself. That is why you are known as Aja. The second name to yourself is Nitya. That means you were there in the past. You are there now in the present. You will be there in the future. That is why you are known as Nitya. And third name that you have is Sasvata. That means you are noticing there are some changes in your body. But along with those changes of your body, there will be no change in yourself. That is why you are known as Sasvata. Though you are in that body, you have no changes along with your body. That is why you are known as Sasvata. The fourth name is Puranaha. That means you are always new, ever new. That is why you are known as Puranaha. But to experience your past deeds, you have got into this body, you came into this body. Even then, you are never killed by anyone, and you are never tortured by anyone. This is how Sri Krishna Paramatma bringing us awareness of ourselves. While having this running in our mind, while paying full attention to these teachings, now let us repeat the same words what Krishna Paramatma spoke. Najayate mriyate va kadachit nayam bhutva bhavita va na bhuyaha ajo nityaha sasvatoyam purano nahanyate hanyamane शरीरे. Om. Repeatedly remembering those our 4 names every day itself is called as Atmadhyanam. That is how we will get Atma Sakshatkaram, self-realization. How can we remember that? Whenever we get to say our name, whenever if someone calls our name, whenever we get to write our name, in all these circumstances, we can definitely remember those 4 names: Aja, Nitya, Sasvata, Puranaha. With that, definitely Sri Krishna Paramatma feels so happy that we are taking his teaching to our heart. Now let us remember his important recommendations also. Every day if we remember them, that also makes Paramatma happy, and every day responding back to those his important recommendations makes him very happy. That is why we are doing this. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma from 18th chapter, from 65th to 69th sloka, Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, manmana bhava, become my devotee, madbhakto bhava, do all your activities as my service, madhyaji, do namaskaram to me, mam namaskuru, surrender to me alone unconditionally, mamekam saranam vraja, do not grieve, ma suchaha. Keep reading at least one Gita sloka every day and keep spreading this Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you do all these things which I am recommending you to do, you will definitely become my most beloved devotee and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. Ho Sriman Narayana, as per your teaching, I shall remember my 4 other names that are Aja, Nitya, Sasvata, Purana. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on thinking about you. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall become your devotee. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall do every of my activity as your service. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall do namaskaram to you. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall not grieve anymore. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall read at least one Gita sloka every day. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall spread this Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadravasanयुtam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Suka Maharshi. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Sriman Narayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naranchaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam Vudirayet. Suta Maharshi is disclosing to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, all the Acharyas, Brahmanas were giving horoscopical details of that child to Dharmaraju. They are saying that, O Dharmaja, this child will become just like Rantideva in giving charities. And also, O Dharmaja, Yayati Rivadharmikaha, this child will become just like Yayati in following Dharma. Dhairya Sampada Bali Daitya Vallabhudana, in bravery he will become just like Bali. Achyuta Bhakti Prahladudana, in devotion this child will become Prahlada. Just like Prahlada, he will be always devoted to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Dharmaja, this child will get a curse from Brahmana Kumara, and then he will realize that a serpent bite is inevitable to me. Death is inevitable to me. This child will realize that, and then he will renunciate everything. He will just all focus his all attention on Sriman Narayana, and then Mukta Sangah Padam Hare. He will be reaching to the divine abode. O Dharmaja, Vyasa's son Sukha Maharshi will teach Atma Tattvam to this child in Ganga, banks of the Ganga river. There, this child will leave his body and he will go to the most abhayasthanam, the most assured place and the most divine place, Sriman Narayana Padasannidhi. This child will reach over there. Like that, all the acharyas gave the details of Jatakam of this child to Dharmaja. And then this child started growing. After that, Sayesha Loke Vikhyataha Parikshit iti yat Prabhuhu. He started ruling the kingdom. While ruling the kingdom, this Parikshit, when he was in the belly, the stomach of Uttara, he has seen a Paramapurusha who is going around him and protecting him. The same Paramapurusha's, the divine Swarupam is still stuck in the mind of this Parikshit, and he started searching for the same Paramapurusha everywhere in detail. So his focus is on finding him. That is how he started ruling the kingdom. And on other side, Dharmaraju, he still was having the same pain, thinking that I killed so many people in Kurukshetra Sangramam. I killed so many of my relatives. He is thinking that to get rid of all that kind of dosham, he wanted to do Asvamedha Yagam. Dharmaja did sankalpam for Asvamedha Yagam, but Dharmaja started worrying about, because he did not have enough money to perform such a huge, big yajna. Then Krishna Paramatma gave him an idea, saying that, "O Dharmaja, I will send Bhima and Arjuna to northern side. Earlier there were so many kings who were defeated by us. So they left all the wealth of there itself. So now that wealth is there. I will send Bhima and Arjuna and get all that wealth here, so that with that wealth, that money, you can perform Asvamedha Yagam." That is how Krishna Paramatma made arrangement for that, and Asvamedha Yagam is done. Dharmaraju, after he concluded Asvamedha Yagam, he did worship Sri Krishna Paramatma. Only for that Asvamedha Yagam, Krishna Paramatma came here. So he felt that, Krishna Paramatma felt that, anyway I am here, let me spend some more months here. So he stayed over there. After that, Uvasa Katichin Masan, after living over there, spending over there for a few months, then Krishna Paramatma Yayau Dvaravatim Brahman, he is now again getting ready to travel back to his Dwaraka Nagaram along with Arjuna and Yedubhir Vrutaha, some of his colleagues, some of his Yadava Vamsa people. So along with all of them, now Krishna Paramatma traveling back to Dwaraka. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. ఓం శ్రీకృష్ణ పరబ్రహ్మణే నమః. ఓం అస్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. కృష్ణో రక్షతు నో జగత్రయగురుః. కృష్ణం నమస్యామ్యహం. కృష్ణేన అమరశత్రవో వినిహతాః. కృష్ణాయ తస్మై నమః. కృష్ణాదేవ సముత్థితం జగదిదం. కృష్ణస్య దాసోऽస్మ్యహం. కృష్ణే తిష్టతి విశ్వమేతదఖిలం. హే కృష్ణ సంరక్ష మాం. శ్రీమద్భగవద్గీత 2nd chapter 20th శ్లోక. న జాయతే మ్రియతే వా కదాచిత్ నాయం భూత్వా భవితా వా న భూయః అజో నిత్యః శాశ్వతోయం పురాణో న హన్యతే హన్యమానే శరీరే. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.